Alright, in this video we'll be talking about how to add pages or content pages to your class. And a content page could be something as simple as this. So the first step is over on the left hand side in the navigation bar we find the Pages button. You'll notice that this particular Pages button is grayed out. In other words, students cannot see it. A little bit later we'll go over how to make buttons viewable or not viewable to students. So if we click the Pages button, our next step is to select View All Pages. After we do this, we see a list of pages that have been created and are being used in the class. If we want to add a new page, we click the plus page button in the upper right hand corner. From this area we can create a page. We can give it a title. We'll call this one Cellular Division. Okay, and then I'm going to add the content for this page. I can add an image. Well, if you don't find one that's good that works here, you can go to images.google.com and look up whatever it is you're looking for, and I like this picture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the image address, and I'm going to go back over here into Canvas, and I'm going to paste that image address there and update. Yes, this is much better. And then I can give some content. Etc. Right. Once my page is done and I give it all of the text that I want, if I would like to add a link, I could also, if I found a video on YouTube, for example, let's see, Khan Academy, why not? So if I found a link that or a video that I like, I can copy that link. We copy by doing Control-C, so I have this all selected and I press Control-C to copy it. Then I go back over to my class and I have this word highlighted. I want this to be a link. I can select Link to URL. I can paste by pressing Control-V. Right. And I do not want to have previews for that link. And now I'm going to insert it. And I now have a link. Right, so I'm going to save that by pressing the Save button in the corner. And so I see that I have a title, I have an image, I have a description of what it is, and I can even add some links and other things in here as well. If I wanted to, I could have even put the link, the actual video. Let's do that. So I can do a link, or I could put, right? If I put this link in here and I do not disable the inline previews, let's see what happens. Save and publish. Right, so you'll see that the student not only gets the link to click on to go out to YouTube, but they can click on that little icon and view the video right there from within Canvas. So depending on the page that you want to build for your students, it's important to note that we can do add these elements in assignments as well. So if there's an assignment associated with it, we can do that, or we can just build a page. Anyway, so these are some ideas on what we can do to add items to a page. Alright, so for your assignment for this activity is you will create a page. You're going to simply send your instructor a message through the Canvas inbox, letting him know that your assignment is done. What they'll do is they'll go in and verify that in fact you did do that assignment, that you did create a page, and give you the points for it. So that's it for this one. And if you have any questions, let us know.